Alright, I'm gonna fix the gray kart today. Broke the recoil starter a while back and I just think I replaced it. Really didn't need all these extra parts, but this is actually a package deal I found on Amazon. I could get this for like $15, or I could get all of this for $35. I really didn't need all this, but hey, it don't hurt to have extra parts, especially with go-karts. They get broke a lot. So since it ain't ran a while, I could clean the carburetor, but since the package came with a brand new carburetor, I'll probably just put this on. I probably won't use the spark plug though, because usually cheap spark plugs are junk. Alright, I'm gonna, this actually, let me show you. I think this set right here was about $37 on Amazon. And if you do anything with small engines, you need a 1/4 inch set, just like you need a 3/8 set and a 1/2 inch set. They all have the purpose, but a 1/4 inch set I end up using a lot more than even a 3/8 set. So, and it has metric in both, which is good because this mostly uses 10mm and 8s. I'm gonna speed through while I take the carburetor off and the recoil off. This fuel line right here. Fuel line right here is wore out. Came with a new one. Also came with the new inlet filter and outlet filter. So I might go ahead and change that out too while I'm at it. I gotta take the tank off since I'm putting a new hose on there anyway. Let me skip through. Oh, wait! Before I skip through or speed this up, another handy tool that everybody should have in their toolbox if they work on small engines: a hose clamp, so you don't get gas everywhere. You're still going to get a little gas everywhere, but it helps. Okay, speed through now. Alright, carburetor's off. Gotta scrape up the gasket. And then probably before I do the gasket, I'm gonna go ahead and take the gas tank off. So let me speed up again. Wrench. I love my gear wrench ratcheting wrenches. I got a whole drawer of them. And drop it on the floor. Gas tank's off. See, this hose is just, it's seen better days. So go ahead and replace that. Yeah, I still got governor, all that stuff on there. I ain't upgraded it, the engine much, other than this exhaust I made from a exhaust from a three-wheeler. That's about the only thing I've done to it. So let me drain the gas. I'll stop the video right here while I just go drain the gas. Alright, gonna get this, change this out. I think it's probably 12. Let me look at the new one, because I don't even know. Looks like the replacement is plastic or metal. See, like the original is plastic, and the new one is metal with a rubber O-ring right there. So kind of like that. Now it looks like it changed size when it went up. Where did the 13 go? Oh, there we go. That should do good. It shouldn't leak now. Go ahead and stick the new hose on there. Boom. There we go. Now I'm probably going to stop the video here while I put this back on. There's no point in watching me put this back on. Alright, I got kind of carried away and went ahead and put the new carburetor on while I was at it. Now let's change this recoil starter out. Came with the starter cup, but the starter cup rarely goes bad, so there's no point in changing it out. Well, hold on, I'm gonna have to remember what I forgot to put on the carburetor. So I gotta take the carburetor part off because I forgot to put this back on. What happens when you get in a hurry? Alright, now I can get to this recoil starter. Spring's getting, I could have restrung this, I could have re-roped this, I re-roped it a few times, but the spring got where it was getting weak, so go ahead and replace that. I don't know if it's possible. I'm going to see if I can put this on this side because it's rubbing against right here. Kind of like it being red. It kind of matches the theme of the go-kart. Still gotta do an oil change on it. Spark plug. I need to get an air filter adapter and an air filter for this so I could put a new jet in there. I'm okay with my homemade exhaust. It works out okay. Sounds kind of cool. Or it does to me anyway. Whoa! I guess there's water down in that engine. That's the bad part about this. Don't forget it outside when you have an open header on it. So I gotta dry that out. Gotta get an oil change anyway. One of these days I'll put that reverse box in that I have. I need to build a plate for the kill switch and put a kill switch, because right now gotta recheck here and turn it off. But I'm probably going to end the video right here. Right now I got the new carburetor on and the recoil starter on. Maybe tomorrow I'll see about putting a kill switch on. I don't know when I'll try to put the reverse box on. One of these days I'll get around to it. I've had it sitting in the part stall for about 2 years now. But thanks for watching.